Some planets are giants made entirely of gas. These are known as gas giants. They have no solid surface to stand on. Wind speeds can reach thousands of kilometers per hour. Lightning here can be stronger than anything on Earth. Below the clouds lies a sea of liquid hydrogen. Pressure grows so high that hydrogen becomes metallic. This metallic hydrogen creates immense magnetic fields. These fields can produce stunning auroras at the poles. Gas giants are powerful worlds filled with intense beauty.